kasi every time na nanonood talaga ako. Even Miss Grand. Nung umpisa. Sisi! Uy, ito na, ito na! Yan.
If you win, the title to empower young girls.
We work with young people to provide them opportunities to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is, it doesn't define to pursue making sure that people who come from low income
Medyo sa tawid, tawid. Ilang konti. Tapos yung boses naman, diba, napaka-loud and clear.
and here because with my life experiences I've been able
Napaka-perfect din ito.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Mexico.
Philippines.
Oh my God! Sayang naman! Ay, hindi! Ay, si Black yan!
Si ano, si Cote d'Ivoire. Oh my God.
Galing din na ito. Shit!
Ay, cooking show ata si, ano,
Ay,
si
cooking.
Mexico. Na-cooking show si
oo
Mexico.
nga! Yung Thailand. Oo nga, kaunahan niya ako tinawag si ano. Shit! Hala!
Si Mexico.
Thailand! Oy!
Mexico na cooking show. Nasa Thailand.
Mexico tsaka ano na iwan.
Ay, sure yun. Ginanap ko.
Cooking show.
Shucks! Oo nga!
Cooking show.
Ano kaya?
Unable to complete her duties.
Yung tatlong
Na cooking
magaling.
show. Yung tatlong magaling tinanggal nila.
Nakuha yung lanchaka.
Hindi na magaling na yung Mexico.
Ano yan?
Hindi nila sinama si ano, no?
Miss
Thailand
Universe
yan.
is
Hindi naman magaling si Mexico eh.
Oh!